I just had a thought. I thought I would come out and share. When you feel insignificant, I want you to think about this. Our solar system formed about 4.6 billion years ago from material that had already been enriched by way earlier generations of stars. The carbon in your body, the oxygen that you breathe, the calcium in your bones, the iron carrying the oxygen through your blood. These elements have histories that began way before Earth ever existed. Now, that does not mean that every single atom inside your body was once physically inside of a star. Much of the hydrogen in your body ultimately does trace back to the universe itself. But some of the elements that are necessary to build our bodies were created through processes that happen in stars and stellar events long before there were human beings here to ever even wonder about them. And those atoms did not stop their journey when the Earth formed. They became part of rocks and part of water and air and living organisms. And eventually, some of them became part of you. So when we talk about being connected to the universe, this is one connection. Doesn't need symbolic attachment to it. It's actually real. And you don't have to believe in astrology. And you don't have to believe in magic. You don't even have to believe that the universe has some greater purpose to see that the physical connection is already there. You are not separate from it. Now, I know when we compare ourselves to the size of the universe, sometimes we can feel incredibly small. But being small is not the same thing as being insignificant. You are physically standing here today because of a chain of events that goes back billions of years. The universe had to physically make the elements, and the earlier stars had to live and change and form, and our solar system had to form itself. Earth had to form. Basically, life had to begin and continue through an unimaginable amount of time. But somehow, after all that, here we are. We are made from matter with a history that is older than this planet and that is capable of looking into the night sky and understanding what we see, at least partly, where we came from. So the next time you stand underneath the sky and you might feel a little bit small, remember, you are not something insignificant that is standing beneath the universe. You are part of the universe that is standing beneath the stars. And for billions of years, that matter existed without knowing anything about itself. And now, in a brief moment, even as you look at the stars, you can see that some of it is you, alive, aware, and it's looking back at where it came from. And there is nothing insignificant about that.